Cognitive qualifiers direct your mind to think of an experience in a way that is specified by the kind of qualifier used. Like if I use the word disaster, this is a disaster. Or if I say, this is great, this is happiness, this is love. Those are qualifiers that you're using. I could put sadly, happily, and it will prescribe the internal thought that I'm communicating to you. Okay? So, I'm going to read from page 86 of this, and it's about cognitive qualifiers. And this is about a qualifier that can be used universally in a negative situation or a positive situation. And I've been playing with this all day, and it's very interesting. That's one of the qualifiers, interesting. You could say curiously and a negative event, or curiously and a positive event. And it kind of sets the stage for the evolution of whatever you're talking about. So, since this group of cognitive qualifiers never has negative states associated with them, they are truly universal resources which can be used with any experience whatsoever. As a simple proof of this, think of a range of topics that scientists are fascinated by. Some are nice and clean, like optics or subatomic particles, but others study aspects of physiological waste, decay, and disease that most people would find utterly disgusting and revolting. Even those can be fascinating and interesting if someone is learning about them. Fortunately, there is another great benefit from using this kind of qualifier that goes far beyond enjoying a more positive state. It is also a useful and effective state to use in beginning to understand process and solve any problem or difficulty. An attitude of interest or fascination is an excellent positive resource state for learning and change because it redirects attention from evaluation of the problem to interest and curiosity about how the problem works. A shift to a more specific logical level of categorization. When you understand the structure of a problem, often a path to a solution becomes clear. So I'm going to leave it at that. You chew on that for a while, Charles,